Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get shareable Google Form link on your PC. Like, after creating your form, if you want to share this form link to your audience or customer or anyone you want, so how can you find the link? So you can see I created this form, but I want to send it to my friend or someone. Then what you need to do, you need to click here respond, or you need to click here settings. So this way you can find here, you can see the send option, and you can see in the option it's a link option. So this is the full link, so you can copy it or you can make it shorten URL, so you will get shorten URL and copy it. So now you can send to anyone. For example, if you send this link, then that person will get the full link like this, the form link. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today is normal, and see you in the next video.